What's up, everybody? It's Tay Nelson, and if you don't know me, I run a six-figure marketing agency. I built my agency in just 60 days to $10,000 plus per month, running simple ads like this for local car dealerships. And I have a free training where I can show you guys exactly. You get to clone my agency. I'll show you how I land my clients. I'll show you everything. So if you're interested in that, after this video, click the link in the description and get the education you need to make money at home, online, in your local city today. The biggest question I've been getting is, can you start a lead generation agency for car dealerships during this time of crisis? In my opinion, growing up, I never had any advantages. So I always had to find the advantages in the disadvantages. So I am quite the expert in finding the advantages in the disadvantages. So if you want to be successful in life, you need to be able to find the advantages in the disadvantages. Growing up, people would always wonder, was I at a disadvantage because I was a black kid from Alaska? 99% of black people I know would say yes, it's a disadvantage to be black in Alaska. But my opinion is it's actually quite the opposite. It's actually an advantage for me, at least. For me in particular, since I happen to be the only black guy everywhere I go, as you can see, Alaska hat, everywhere I go, I'm the only black guy. And to me, that's an advantage because people look to me for style. They look to me to be cool. I have everybody trying to be my friend. And because I'm the only black guy, I stand out. And I used to use this to my advantage. It's all about mindset. You can have the kind of mindset that thinks, the color of your skin can hold you back. Or you can have the kind of mindset where the color of your skin is actually something that can propel you and help you stand out when it comes to whatever it is that you're doing. So I chose to take this approach. I chose to take my blackness in Alaska as an advantage, and it has always been an advantage for me. It has never been a disadvantage for me. So it's all a mindset thing. So can you start a social media marketing agency during this time of crisis? And the answer to that question is yes and no. Let me start with the no first. So the real answer to this question is it depends on your industry. If you're in the restaurant industry and you're running social media marketing for restaurants, then I would say no. But if you're in the healthcare field or you're in, the essential necessities like car dealerships, I specialize in car dealerships. We are actually still seeing crazy results. I know a lot of our car dealerships are not open. Most of them are open for appointments only. And the reason why we're still having success during this time of crisis is because two reasons. Number one, the people who used to ride the public transportation are now looking to get their own vehicles. They don't want to be at risk riding the public transportation and getting sick. So they're actually reaching out to us and they're starting to try to see what they can do to get into vehicles. So there's one reason why the car dealership industry is still thriving in this time of crisis. The second reason is more people are online now, so our ads are getting more reach. More people have the time to click through our ads. We're seeing a spike in our click-through rates. Our lead costs may be going up because there are a ton of people who are just checked out, but the quality has gone up. So I could generate the same amount of leads now and convert more on the back end. And I think this is because all the other dealerships have basically just given up on marketing because of this time of crisis. But since I find the advantage in the disadvantage, we seem to be the only dealership running ads at a time like this. So we're getting all the customers, we're getting all the reach, we're getting all the impressions, and this is actually working to our favor. So my clients that I have 10 clients spread over the United States of America. A few of them have shut down, but a handful of them are still making money. So here's a few screenshots of my clients still selling cars during this time of crisis. Here goes one, here goes another, here goes another, here goes another, here goes another. And that's enough of the screenshots. So yes, it is possible to start and grow and scale your agency in a crisis in a time like this, so long as you pick the right industry. Now, I know for a fact the car industries can thrive at a time like this. So if you're interested, if you run an ad agency, if you're a photographer, videographer, and you want to learn how to build a Facebook lead generation agency for local car dealerships. Now, I'm not talking about the big dealerships. I'm talking about the local ones, the small ones, the medium-sized one. This client right here, I earn over $10,000 plus per month running simple Facebook ads like this. I'm hosting a free training. I will show you exactly how you can clone my entire agency and start charging clients $5,000, $10,000 plus per month in your first month as a complete beginner. So just lower your ego, remove the ego, do whatever you have to do, put it in your back pockets, stick it under the table, give it to your girlfriend, give it to your boyfriend, throw it in the trash, throw it in the garbage disposal. I don't care. Just leave your ego at home. Click the link. be open to this free training and listen to everything that I have to say, because the most successful students in my programs are the ones who listen and take action. So here's my most recent testimonial. This guy came to me, he was broke, he had been running an agency, he had clients, he lost clients. The most he ever got to was $3,000 plus per month. He purchased my course, and in less than 30 days, he 20x'd his investment. He got into my program, he took the risk, he took the chance, and in less than 30 days, he was able to 20x his investment. He went from $0 to $8,000 in his first month by following my strategy step by step. Again, the people that have the most success in my strategy are the ones that can show up, remove their ego, not be distracted, follow everything that I say directly, and take action. If you do this, you will be successful. As you can see, this screenshot is from this year, 2020. I don't know about you, but all the other gurus, when they show their screenshots and their testimonials, it's always from a year ago. Like, why are they always showing student testimonials from a year ago? Maybe because their processes and their strategies don't work today. I can guarantee you that my shit works today. Right now, it will work tomorrow, it will work yesterday, it will work till the end of time. My strategies are simple. Our agency deals with just local used car dealerships, so you don't have to have the anxiety of trying to land a big Chrysler or Dodge dealership. You can go to your local used car dealership, preferably the one you got your car from. That will give you extra leverage when you go to your client. You're like, hey, I bought a vehicle from you guys. Can I talk to the owner? All you got to do is get to the owner, use my 2-question script that's in my free training, and it's golden, guys. My 2-question script is better than anybody's script that's out there. I've seen scripts out there that were pretty good, but none of them are better than mine. And mine gets the job done in just 2 questions. So again, if you don't believe me, or you do believe me and you want to learn, click the link below. I will show you guys exactly how to charge local car dealerships $5, $10, $15, even $20,000 plus per month running simple Facebook ads like this. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also check out my free training, especially if you're an ad agency owner and you have not scaled past the $10,000 plus per month. Get the education you need. My name is Tay Nelson. See you guys next time.